I'm loving this braid out, and this is my first time ever. Like, I know I spoke bad about braid out, but I'm actually loving the hair so much. Like, hello honeys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be trying a braid out for the first time ever. Like, never ever tried braid out before. I'm always doing twist outs because I don't know, I'm just good at it. I've just like known how to do my twist out and I've perfected it. But now I want to try another style. I want to see whether I'll be able to like master braid out. Yeah, I should be able to do that too. So basically today I'm going to try it for the first time, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button, and also don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, so now let's get to it. Basically my hair is freshly washed, so I'm just going to apply extra moisture and seal first of all. And welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be trying a braid out for the first time ever. Like, never ever tried braid out before. I'm always doing twist outs because I don't know, I'm just good at it. I've just like known how to do my twist out and I've perfected it. But now I want to try another style. I want to see whether I'll be able to like master braid out. Yeah, I should be able to do that too. So basically today I'm going to try it for the first time, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button, and also don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, so now let's get to it. Basically my hair is freshly washed, so I'm just going to apply extra moisture and seal first of all over my hair. I'm going to be right back. Now I've applied moisture and I've sealed my hair. I'm meant to create a part now. So my part is straight, so now let's start. It's just basic regular braids. So now you're just gonna apply your gel. I'm using Collabs coconut curling jelly. Basically, I've done a review of this product and I really like this. I decided to use it for this. So let's see. This thing is so slippery. I feel like just twisting my hair. I feel like twisting my hair. I feel like I'm being dramatic, but I just feel like twisting my hair, like, because that's what I do. I'm not used to doing this. But this better turns out good. So there's one that is bigger than the rest. This section is bigger than the remaining sections. Okay, I don't know what to do now. And I put a lot of gel. This turned into a disaster little by little. So there's a lot of hair left. I don't know. Let me see if I twirl it round, like my twist. It's not forming what I want it to form. It looks weird. So I don't know what to do. Okay, let me just try to do a bantu knot at the end. That should work. Just going to roll. It's not rolling around. Yes, please give me tips on braid out. I don't know if you do braid out. Let me know what do you do to make it look nice, or what do you use to make it fancy? Okay, this looks like it's going to be very short. I don't know, but it doesn't matter. This is like very stressful and all that, so I don't even know what I'm doing. I feel like sleeping. I think I need to play some music. Yeah, so I'ma see y'all soon. I don't know why. She told me it's not your fault, but you told me. This thing did take a lot of time. Like, it took a lot of time. Like, twist out are better. I think twist out are actually much more fun. Maybe, I don't know. But no, I don't think I'm ever doing this again. Like, if I see the result, if the results are bomb, maybe, but if not, nah. I feel so tired. Bye. See you tomorrow. Hello honey, so today I'm going to unravel this braid out, or this braid. So I'm scared. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because I don't know, I'm just scared because I've never done this before, because I never did this before. No, but it's really dry. It's really like scripty. It has crunch, like it's very dry, so hopefully it will be fine. So let me just get my oil, because it's very dry. Yes, so this is what I'm gonna be using. This is I just poured oil. I don't know what oil is. I think olive oil. So some drops of olive oil. So let me just open the first one, or unravel the first one apparently. So wait, chill. Let me not force it yet. Okay, gently. Like this, I don't have time for all this, to be honest. Like, okay. The curl is looking good. I mean, like, see this, it's looking good. But let me just keep on. Okay. It's easier to lose a twist. Let me tell you the truth. A twist out, easier to lose it than doing this. I mean, come on, who has time for all this? It's gonna take a long time. So it's actually separating very well on its own. Okay. Well, it looks very short, so I don't know if I'm gonna be liking this style. So I'm just going to, keep on unraveling. I'm going to be right back.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been.
Guys, I'm done like unraveling. I didn't even unravel so much. I can see my hair, like it's so different. Like I'm loving this braid out, and this is my first time ever. Like I know I spoke bad about braid out, but I'm actually loving the hair so much. Like you see it's so different, even though it's kind of frizzy, because this is my first time. I really do not know the hang of it, but I kind of like the volume, and it looks really nice, just like the 4 wash and go. Yeah, so this is my hair, and thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button to make sure when I post a video.